During your review, you just reviewed the 5 phonetic skills during your review. Today, we're going to be talking about adding suffixes to phonetic skill 5. So phonetic skill 5 means that I have 2 adjacent vowels, which means my 2 vowels are next to each other. So therefore, the first one will be long and the second one will be silent. So I have a word up on the board, and we are going to go ahead and we're going to prove this word together. So we are going to start by marking both our vowels, and we see that they are right next to each other. Then we are going to go up around our word, and our second vowel is silent, and our first vowel is long, and this is the word paint. So now I want to add a suffix to this word. So I am going to, after I have proved my word, I am going to rewrite my word paint, and then I'm going to simply add the suffix that I would like to add and underline that suffix. So this is the word painting. If I wanted to make this word painted, I'm going to rewrite my base word, and I'm going to add my suffix, and I'm going to underline my suffix. So phonetic skill 5 is really easy when it comes to adding suffixes. You will simply write your word, prove your word, then you're going to rewrite, add your suffix, and then underline your suffix. So let's look at another one. So this is the word toast. So we are going to mark this together. So we are going to write, let's go ahead and mark this next one together. So we are going to mark both our vowels. I see that I have an ST blend at the end of this word, so I'm going to arc those letters together. I'm going to go up around my word. My second vowel is silent, and my first vowel is long, and this is the word toast. So I would like to add a suffix to this word. So I'm going to rewrite my word. I'm going to add my suffix, and I'm going to underline my suffix. If I wanted to make this word toasted, I'm going to rewrite my word. I'm going to add if I wanted to make this word toaster, I'm going to rewrite my word. I'm going to add my suffix, and I'm going to underline my suffix. The next thing that I'm going to want to do is make the word toasted. So I'm going to rewrite my word. I'm going to add my suffix and underline my suffix. All right, let's go ahead and prove this word together. So we are going to first go ahead and go left to right under our word, and we are going to mark both our vowels. We have an ST blend at the end of this word, so we are going to arc our ST together. We are going to go up around the word. Our second vowel is silent, and our first vowel is long, and this is the word feast. So in order to add a suffix to this word, I'm going to rewrite my base word. I'm going to add my suffix, and I am going to underline my suffix. This is the word feasted. The dogs feasted on the steak. I'm going to rewrite my word again, and I am going to add another suffix, which is ing. So this is now feasting. I'm going to underline my suffix. We were feasting on mashed potatoes for Thanksgiving. Feasting. All right, let's go ahead and try another one. So this is another phonetic skill 5 word. We have 2 adjacent vowels that are standing right next to each other. So we know we are going to go through and we are going to put an X under each vowel. We're going to mark those vowels. We are going to go up around the end of our word. Our second vowel is silent, and our first vowel is long. And this is the word neat. So if I want to add a suffix to this word, I am going to rewrite my base word. I am going to add my suffix, and I'm going to underline my suffix. So this is the word neater. His science project was neater than mine. Neater. If I want to add another suffix, I am going to rewrite my base word. I'm going to add my suffix. I'm going to underline my suffix, and this is the word neatest. My sister's room is the neatest in the house. Neatest. So, the last thing that we are going to talk about in this lesson, so the next thing we're going to talk about in this lesson is going to be what happens if our word ends in an E. So what we are going to do is we are going to write our word and we are going to mark it just as normal. We're going to prove our base word. So I see that I have 2 adjacent vowels here. I'm going to go up around the end of my word. I know my second vowel is silent and my first vowel is long, and this is the word see. So what if I want to add a suffix to this? So I'm going to rewrite my base word. I am going to add my suffix, and I am going to underline my suffix. Fantastic. What if I have this word? This word also ends in an E, but it is a little bit different as well. So I am going to mark both my vowels. My second vowel is silent. My first vowel is long, and this is the word tie. He wore a tie to the dinner party. So then I want to add a suffix to this. So I'm going to rewrite the word tie. I'm going to drop my E, and I'm going to add my ED. So this is really, really similar to phonetic skill 4 when we're adding a suffix where we're dropping that silent E and then we're adding our suffix. So this is the word tied. So he tied his shoes with a double knot. So let's try one more. So we are going to have the word tie, rewrite our base word. We are going to take off our I and our E. This one's a little bit tricky. And we are going to make this tying with a Y. So if my word ends in an IE and I want to add ING, that IE gets taken off and gets turned into a Y. So tying.